Hi, this is Bob from Worthington Jewelers. Let's touch on some of the options for choosing a center stone. First, center stones are available in multiple shapes and sizes. First, traditional mine diamond. Next, you will see a created diamond that was created in a lab. The difference is hundreds of thousands or millions of years versus 12 weeks in a laboratory. Next, you will see some colored diamonds. First pink, then blue. There's an array of colors to choose from. They're both available in natural and lab. Then you'll see a salt and pepper diamond. Next we'll have a moissanite, which is a created stone, along with sapphires. Sapphires are a great option if you choose not to go with a diamond due to their durability and strength. They're available in multiple colors and will last for years.